Verified. You may proceed.
Thank you.
Is it getting a bath? A steel bath to ensure the paint never peels.
How do you slice 2-inch steel? With electricity and gas hotter than the sun.
How many holes does it take to build a tractor?
Over 400 for the chassis alone.
Next, cleaning the interior.
Pre-processing validation ensures these chassis components haven't warped. If it's off by a millimeter, it's rejected. Can they see through steel? Yes, with sound waves that find the tiniest flaws.
Is welding not enough? Not for 410 horsepower. You need bolts the size of your wrist.
How much oil flows here? Up to 227 liters per minute under extreme pressure.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good. Keep coming down.
Ready with the pin.
Is it stuck forever? Yes, those pins are designed to stay for the life of the machine. Next, the rear differential.
What drives this beast? A differential larger than a car's entire engine. The heart of the tractor.
Easy now, just a little lower.
Pins are clear on my side.
We have contact, seals verified. Go for the bolts.
Is it a tractor or a computer? It's the most advanced mobile computer in farming.
Torque audit on the rear axle is complete.
Connectivity ping shows green across the board.
She's ready for the tunnel.
Thermal sensors reading steady at 180. Acknowledged. Primer cycle initiated.
Does it paint the back by itself? Yes, thanks to the magic of electricity, hardening the skin.
Is it all steel? High-strength composites keep the 8R light yet incredibly tough. Next, adding the eyes.
All right, lift together now, watch the alignment. Almost there, hold it steady. Pins are clear, hit it.
How do you lift a 500-kilogram tire? With a robot that has the strength of 10 men.
Hear that? 410 horsepower just said hello.
The E23 shifting is smooth.
Absolutely flawless integration.
Final torque check complete. Verified. Ready for dyno. The angle is holding steady at 25 degrees. Fluid levels are nominal.
Excellent. Rollover threshold verified. We are good to go.
Is it perfect? If it's not 100%, it doesn't leave Waterloo.
It's official. A 14,000 kilogram legend is born. There she goes. Beautiful work, everyone. We did it.
Phase 7 is complete. Release to logistics.
Looks good, right on schedule.
slack out on the rear chain. Taking it up now. All right, secure for impact. Keep coming straight. Easy now, watch the side. Okay, hold it right there.
Welcome to Rotterdam. If you could just sign here for the electronic proof of delivery.
Sure thing. Glad she made it.
Here we are, the keys to the future of farming. And the warranty is all set.
I can't wait to get started.
Who needs the sun? When you have 65,000 lumens, you make your own day. Dust and glory. Nothing runs like a Deere.
The projection shows 10,000 hours easily.
And the expert alerts confirm the injector timing is perfect.
Reman parts give you 100% power at a fraction of the cost.
$40,000, 45, now 50, 55. Do I hear 60? Going once, going twice. Sold!
Look at the precision on that trajectory adjustment.
The neural network integration is flawless. The LiDAR is performing optimally.